What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you 3 Wi-Fi settings to optimize for longer battery life in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, tap on connections. Now tap on Wi-Fi and then click on this 3-dot more icon on the top right corner. Now from the pop-up, tap on intelligent Wi-Fi and here you will see a switch to mobile data button. So if this feature is enabled, then disable this feature, and after disabling this feature it will help you to make your battery life longer. Now the second feature of Wi-Fi is switch to better Wi-Fi networks. After turning off this feature, it will make the battery life longer. And the third feature that you can enable is Wi-Fi power saving mode. So enable this feature to make your battery life longer. So these are the 3 settings of Wi-Fi you can optimize for longer battery life in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.